Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling live on your YouTube channel. Verify your account with a phone so streaming is allowed. Once done, choose a streaming method: webcam for quick streams, mobile for on-the-go, or RTMP encoder for professional quality, because the method dictates setup steps. Make sure your internet upload speed is sufficient. Test for greater or equal to 5 Mbps to avoid buffering. Then open YouTube Studio, create a new stream or scheduled event, and copy the stream key to use in your encoder. Now configure your encoder. Set resolution and FPS to match your target, for example 1280 x 720 at 30 FPS, and choose a bitrate that fits your upload speed. Then assemble scenes, camera, game, or screen share, and overlays, so you can switch smoothly during the stream. Save hotkeys to speed transitions. Adjust audio. Balance mic versus system sound, add a noise gate or compressor if needed, and run a short rehearsal recording to confirm sync, clarity, and file stability before going live. When everything is ready, start streaming from your encoder and confirm YouTube shows incoming video. Make sure chat and stream health indicators look good, then greet viewers to boost engagement. While live, monitor CPU and network usage, switch scenes as planned, and address chat. This keeps retention high. To finish, stop the encoder, then end the stream in YouTube Studio so the archive finalizes. If problems occur, check your stream key, firewall rules, bitrate limits, and prefer wired Ethernet. Restart the encoder as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.